This is the new Magnum Temptation Fruit. You can see there you've got one in there, 10% of your daily intake of something. It's got the seal there, as you can see. Just grab a knife and cut that seal. Okay, so open it up and you've got your ice cream in there. Got your ice cream, a little bit of a card there. There's the ice cream. Got some detail there and a Magnum logo, and the ice cream itself. Just put that to one side. There's a little piece of corrugated card, and yeah, that's it.